This looks like an aircraft carrier-borne bomber. I'll go over and get the... Looks like it will be refueled. Where's your Buccaneers? What are you fucking head? Nobody else gets that, you know.
Nuclear payload, isn't it?
So like a dual-duty bomber and missile launcher. I'm going to hit an air brake. So that strange tail that it has would fold outwards and act as an air brake when it was landing on the aircraft carriers for a bit of additional braking power. It's a weird and wonderful little beastie. That thing folded up into nothing, but it's massive in size. Counter-rotating prop. A Ferry Gannet. So it's interesting to observe all the things that have to connect when the wing folds up. There's a locating pin at the front. There's this cable tray that folds down. There's these silver pins that fit into those locks. Flex hoses in there for hydraulics. Yeah. I don't know what that big crank mechanism does. Maybe that's what actually pulls it in. More locks. More stuff. Some kind of a drive down the back end here. Probably just operates elevators, ailerons. Maybe just flaps. Who knows? The V2 launching ramp. Or V1? V2, right? I think. They'd fire these roughly at London or somewhere. They just have just enough fuel, and when they ran out of fuel, they fell out of the air. So here's a plan view of all the aircraft they have in here. This is the American hangar.
Awesome, as the Americans would say.
When you pan up, you're looking right into the cockpit of the B-52, aka the Stratofortress. This is the one with the 8 jet engines. Sometimes it had rocket assist as well, I think, just to get it off the ground. It's got all those wheels. Here's your Tomcat. Here's your Warthog. Spy plane. DC-3 over the back there. Oh, I wonder what that's taken off. There's an F4 Phantom right here. That's the B-52.
Oh, that's a B-52. Okay.
And I still think these are in service. I think they have a few of these still. I know they chopped a few of them up so the Russians could see that they were being chopped up, and those are at Davis Monthan.
This is the Vietnam era bomber, right?
Yeah.
Huge.
Oh, yeah. Those things on the end of the wings are extra fuel tanks.
Oh, they're
So
not bombs?
they're not bombs.
So what is this one?
This is an F4
Okay.
Phantom. interesting. We've just come across this, and it looks like there's one out here, taxiing. So they have the blue one right there. And this is the Texan over here. This is the extra fuel tank on the end of the B-52 bomber. Massive. B-25 Mitchell bomber. And that is over there. So many aircraft in here, it's hard to get a view of them. There's another bomber, it's the Mitchell bomber. And they just squeezed it in over the top of the B-52's wing. And right above that is the Texan. Notice the wheels folded up under the front there. And silhouetted here is the B-17. Monthan. That one's up here. There's an air cat up there. It's a B-17. There's a good look at the engines in there. Great big radial. The gunning position. And down the back was the poor guy in the ball turret. He spent a lot of his time upside down. Okay, so sitting over here is the SR-71. Yep, there's a propeller in the way from another plane. That is the SR-71. That's the other spy plane that Gary Powers was shot down in. Well, not this plane, obviously.
No.
It was shot down probably by this Russian missile.
Surface-to-air missile.
Yeah, I think it had to be a multi-stage missile to get them because it's flying so high. Like 70 or 80,000 feet.